artistic family, thank you for being here. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and your notification bell so you don't miss updates and new videos. And if you're still coming back and you aren't subscribed, please do so. So what I have here, guys, a 12 by 36 inch canvas. I went over the top a while ago, long ago, and just put some matte black on it, which I will be using again today along with gloss. But I just put two different size pieces of painter's tape to section off a few areas that I'm going to be texturing with black. And then I'm going to be using a few of my neutral metallics in the other areas. And I will be making a design as well in the textured area. So let's go ahead and make some beautiful modern abstract art. love going over this with the silver. It really makes it pop and stand out. I love that band. And then I just kind of went in, as you guys saw there at the end, and added a little bit more silver just to kind of connect the two per se. But this is absolutely beautiful, guys. I love it. I love simplicity. And once again, you can hang it vertical. Okay, it's just how I would hang it. But it absolutely looks beautiful horizontal as well. So if you're new to my channel, please check out my abstract painting playlist and any other fluid paintings as well. And if you are or you haven't, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you being here. I love doing what I do and love creating, but more importantly, sharing it with all of you. So please stay tuned for the next one. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one.